Hello. Today I'd like to introduce you to my new product, the Everyday Emergency. You use it for lots and lots of little everyday emergencies, for bad news, shock, acute trauma or injury, and children, when children come in with their accidents, they've just fallen over, or emotional outbursts. So how do you take it? Well, it's easy. Just take 2 or 3 drops on the tongue, like so. Or you can place it in food or drink or in a glass of water. It contains brandy as well as pure water to preserve it. And so if you don't want the alcohol content, all you have to do is to place it in a hot drink like tea or coffee. You can also put it on directly onto the skin, like so, and just rub it in, and that will work just as well. For babies and very young children, I would recommend actually putting it onto the soles of the feet or onto the skin, or perhaps in their food or drink. So you can take it as often as needed, every 5 minutes, if there's a real emergency situation. And why not have it, in your first aid kit, in your car, and in your purse, so you carry one with you everywhere. Everyday emergency. So enjoy and have a lovely day. Bye.